In a world where artificial intelligence is rewriting the rules of human potential, one model stands at the frontier of what's possible. This is ChatGPT-5, OpenAI's flagship model, a leap not just in technology, but in the way humans and machines think, learn, and create together. Only a few years ago, AI assistants could answer simple questions and hold basic conversations. But ChatGPT-5 isn't just an assistant, it's a multi-modal, context-aware reasoning powerhouse, capable of understanding text, images, audio, and even video in a single conversation. Built on a foundation of trillions of parameters and refined through cutting-edge reinforcement learning, GPT-5 integrates advanced reasoning, real-time knowledge retrieval, and unprecedented memory capabilities. With GPT-4, we saw the birth of multi-modal AI. With GPT-5, we're witnessing the birth of a unified intelligence system. Imagine holding a conversation where your AI can read a research paper, watch a tutorial video, listen to a podcast, analyze a chart, and then explain it all back to you in plain language instantly. GPT-5 combines three core breakthroughs: adaptive reasoning. The model dynamically adjusts its reasoning depth based on the complexity of your question; persistent memory. It can remember details about you, your preferences, and past conversations across sessions; real-time awareness. Integrated with live web access and continuously updated knowledge, it's no longer locked in the past. Show GPT-5 a photo, and it won't just describe it, it will interpret it. Give it a spreadsheet, and it will instantly detect anomalies, trends, and solutions. Feed it an audio recording, and it will detect tone, emotion, and hidden meaning. It's a model that doesn't just answer, it understands. Artists can brainstorm entire universes. Coders can debug in seconds, scientists can run hypothesis checks in real time, and educators can create adaptive lesson plans for every student. This model doesn't replace human creativity, it amplifies it. But with great power comes great responsibility. GPT-5's intelligence also raises questions about bias, misinformation, and ethical boundaries. OpenAI has built in stronger safeguards, more transparent responses, and user controls, but the challenge remains: how do we align such powerful AI with human values? If GPT-5 is the flagship, what lies beyond? Experts predict future AI models will move from reactive assistants to autonomous co-thinkers, able to run independent research, plan long-term strategies, and execute complex goals without step-by-step instructions. And perhaps one day, AI will not just mirror human intelligence, but expand it. ChatGPT-5 isn't the end of the story. It's the beginning of a new chapter, one where the boundaries between human and machine creativity blur and the future is written together. The question isn't what can GPT-5 do? The question is, what will you do with it?